The next topic we are going to see is about degrees of freedom. So what is meant by degrees of freedom is it is a minimum number of independent coordinates which is needed to specify the position and configuration of a thermodynamical system in the space, that is called as a degree of freedom. Okay, so how much minimum number of coordinates which is needed? Okay, suppose x and y or y and z. Okay, so minimum number of coordinates which is required to specify the position, so in what position the particle is and in what configuration along the x, y or y, z, whatever it is, what configuration it is being placed. Okay, so if we specify that, that is said to be the degrees of freedom. Okay, so in what position the particle and the configuration, that gives you your degrees of freedom. Okay, and this is given with the example. Suppose consider a free particle which is moving along the x-axis, and when it is moving along the x-axis it needs only one coordinate. So consider x and y-axis. Okay, and any particle which is moving along the x-axis, what happens is it needs only one coordinate. So ஒரே ஒரு coordinate மட்டும் போதும். Okay, so degrees of freedom is 1 for this. Suppose a particle moving over the plane which has two coordinates. Okay, and in this, if any particle is moving, it has 2 degrees of freedom. Particle moving in the space. Okay, space, if you consider, always will have what? 3 degrees of freedom. So it has a 3 degrees of freedom. Yes, clear? And first is we are going to see with what is a monoatomic molecule. So mono means what? It has only one atom. Monoatomic molecule, by virtue of it, has only three translational. So translational is it is moving along the straight path. Okay, so ஒரே ஒரு molecule இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? அந்த molecule வந்து either x directionல மூவ் பண்ணும், இல்ல y, அப்படி இல்லைனா z. So it is moving along the 3 direction, and so the degrees of freedom is 3. So it has the degrees of freedom 3. Example, helium, neon, argon. Okay, so a monoatomic molecule, it has 3 translational. What is meant by translational is when it is moving in the straight path, that is translational. Clear? So next is diatomic. Diatomic la first condition enna, there are 2 cases. First is normal temperature, next one is high temperature. When you consider normal temperature, a molecule of diatomic gas consists of 2 atoms bound to each other by a force of attraction. Okay, so it will consist of 2 atoms which are bound to each other. Physically, the molecule can be regarded as a system of 2 point masses fixed with a spring. Okay, so 2 point masses மட்டும் இருக்கிற மாதிரி வச்சுக்கலாம். Then the center of this masses is in the center of the diatomic molecule. So இது ரெண்டோட center தான் என்னது? Center of the molecule. Okay, so the motion of the center of mass acquires 3 translational. So in the center of mass மட்டும் பார்த்தா என்ன பண்ணும்? 3 translational, because x, y and z. Okay, so in the center of mass மட்டும் எப்படி போகும்? 3 translational ல போகும். In addition, the diatomic molecule can rotate about 3 mutually perpendicular axes. So இந்த diatomic molecule என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 3 mutually perpendicular axis ல அது வந்து மூவ் ஆகலாம். Okay, and the moment of inertia is same. So it has 2 rotational degrees. 2 rotational is it can move from one place to this place and again from this to this. Okay, so 3 translationalum 2 rotationalum இருக்கும் அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So 3 plus 2 rotational, which is equal to what? 5 degrees of freedom for the diatomic molecule at normal temperature. The degrees of freedom is what? 5. Okay, since we are having only 2 rotational degrees. Yes, clear with this? This is the second one. Then, so this is the diagram for translational motion. So this is at the center of mass. So this center of mass can move in three direction, which is x, y and z. So it has 3 translational motion, 2 rotational. So one from here to here and this place to this place it can move. So it has 2 rotational motion. So it is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. This is for the normal temperature. Okay, so next is we are going to see for high temperature. Okay, so this is a rotational motion 1 to 1. This gives your vibrational motion. So this is at high temperature. So when you consider at high temperature, what happens is, such as 5000 Kelvin, the diatomic possess both additional of 2 degrees of freedom due to vibrational motion. Okay, so என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா, here it is already this center of mass is moving in what 3 translational. So அப்போ கண்டிப்பா ஒரு 3 translational வந்துருச்சு. Plus there is 2 degrees of freedom more, since because this particle it is at the high temperature. So high temperature இருக்கறனால என்ன ஆகும்னா, this has 2 extra degrees. Okay, so அப்ப 2 extra அப்படினா already we have the 5 degrees of freedom for normal temperature, then 2 additional, and so we have totally 7 degrees of freedom. Okay, so totally we have 7 degrees. Example, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, etc. Clear with this? Okay, so this is for diatomic. Next is triatomic. Triatomic is of two types. Okay, they are linear and non-linear. So linear, where they are placed on, two atoms are placed on either side. Okay, so this is a central atom, so two atoms are placed on either side. Okay, next is non-linear. So three atoms are placed as a vertices of a triangle. Okay, so they are placed in such a way that they are the vertices of the triangle. Okay, so first, in linear triatomic molecule there are 3 translational. Okay, so first this may move in 1, 2 and 3. So it has 3 translational. Okay, then 2 rotational. So how 2 rotational? Because this can move over here and same way this can move over here. So it has 2 degrees, and so totally it has what, 5 degrees of freedom. So the linear triatomic molecule, and since we are considering the linear triatomic molecule which is at high temperature, okay, so this is at normal temperature. Okay, same way when you are considering for high temperature nalla enna irukum, additional of 2. Okay, so total we have 7. Okay, so 7 degrees of freedom for high temperature. At normal temperature it is 5 degrees of freedom. Clear? So next is we have the non-linear. So non-linear is this. So when you see here, this can move along the 3 direction. So it has 3 translational. Okay va? Then 3 rotational. எப்படி 3 rotational na, இது இங்க மூவ் ஆகலாம், இது இங்க மூவ் ஆகலாம். Same way this can move over here. So it has 3 rotational. So 3 plus 3 it is 6. So totally it has 6 degrees of freedom. So example we can consider water, sulfur dioxide, etc. Clear? Thank you.